Signing a PDF document used to be a hassle. The traditional process involved printing, signing, scanning, and re-uploading. What a time-consuming process. But now, you can effortlessly add your signature to PDFs without the need for printing, thanks to Adobe Acrobat Reader on your Android phone. Here's a step-by-step guide. First of all, head to the Play Store and download Adobe Acrobat Reader. After downloading, simply open it. Sign in using your Google or Facebook account. You can skip this process as well. If it's your first time, you might encounter a few pop-ups guiding you through the app's features. Tap on the Files icon at the bottom of the screen. Choose your PDF files from the accounts listed below or select them from your device. Select your desired PDF file to open it in Acrobat. Choose Fill and Sign. Locate the pen icon in the lower right corner and tap on it to access editing options. Tap on the signature icon. Draw your signature in the Sign Here box in landscape mode. Tap Done when you're satisfied. Tap on the area in the document where you want your signature to appear. It will be enclosed in a box. Adjust the size of your signature by pulling the sides of the box or delete it by tapping the trash icon. Select the check mark in the upper left corner when you've completed the process. Congratulations! You've successfully added your signature to a PDF document. And there you have it, a quick, easy, and fantastic way to place signatures on your documents using Adobe Acrobat Reader on your Android phone. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video. For more handy tips and updates, be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more easy and amazing tutorials.